Vested Robo-advisor for investing finance review. Make sure you watch before using. Vested Finance is a fintech platform that enables India investors to access and invest in US stock and ETFs directly from India. Also established in 2018, Vested aimed to simplify traditional investing by removing traditional barriers such as the need for US bank accounts or complex paperwork. And here are the key features about this particular website. So, Vested allow India residents to invest in a broad range of US stock and ETFs, providing opportunities to diversify portfolios internationally. And also, investors can purchase fractional shares, making high-price stock more accessible without requiring large capital outlay. And the platform offers commission-free trade, reducing the cost of trading in US market. Also, Vested provides pre-built portfolios known as Vest, which are designed around specific themes or strategies to assist investors in aligning with their financial goal. Also, it is user-friendly interface, and here's the favorable part of this website. So, it provides Indian investors with exposure to global companies, enhancing portfolio diversification. Also, fractional investing and zero commission trade lower the entry barriers for retailer investors. And also, Vested offer learning materials to help investors make informed decisions. And here's the downside: the platform primarily focuses on United States stock and ETFs, which may not cater to investors seeking a broader array of investment options. Also, some users have complained the absence of round-the-clock customer support, which could be a drawback for those requiring immediate assistance. Here's the final verdict: Vested Finance offers a valuable gateway for Indian investors looking for a direct portfolio by accessing our US market. Its features such as fractional investing and zero commission trade make it an attractive option for both new and seasoned investors. However, potential users should be aware of its limited product offering and the availability of customer support when considering the platform for their investment need.